Matam?
Yes.
That's enough. Okay. Percentage revision na follow it. Basic apa na? Percentage in pivot sum tila percent. What does percentage means? Per 100 na. Per 100 kitia hile. Hello. Now mute on to. Ko ka kile sa. Only if you have question, then just say. To percentage PT na ham tia hile basing upon chile revision chile han. Zakhala is that ham dine percentage. At a to a number in its service if you have 100 epiti nam tia at to deka banga mangen phone khat na nei chu. Ba phone khat na nei hele phone na nei chu na adinga 100%. Na adinga 100% nei chu. Deka banga phone ni na nei yan na hele chun ania chu na adinga pi ham 100%. La che phone ni na nei la chu phone khat setai ti le han epiti se du ham phone khat asit ja chu it's a pa here setai de tauta ase na le izat se ham matela percentage and set tela ni ka nei la chu khara se ka tela se ju ham 50% ja khala ni he ti ne chu chu ni pi ba sam tia hi le thili ama on a he ama on ma ma he thil ki ti pa pa de aling se na chu 100% he ki ti chu matutile 100% to fractionize holding ale 1 by 1 aling ke da fraction hi anoi langam hi pian tera total tin machi result ilo la chi results ti dam ilo la data required data ti ram khala khat che pitin ham tira thing set kin khat bo se phone kania khat bo se to hi ka su se na hele ke dinga 100% ka phone se ta cha ake khat phone ni ka ne khat apai ka ti thelo ja chu fraction ki ti mo ngai 1 itia hele pian 100% tin 100% tin ata tara next time chal le han ala tara ya so ka kharam che pam tile exclude the last two digit to get a percent value in fraction form zo la fraction to percentage like che di sa ala thil chu aling se na chu fraction na chu 1 out of 1 ka tia la chun 1 ti ne 1 chu aling se ne ti ne room khat chi suppose room khat ka ni total room ti de total room ka ni ki ja chun chi room khana chu mi khat hong cheng ta na hele min alo dim ta chu alo dim ale izat occupy ham 100% occupy that 1% occupy so 100% of sa la te ka banga chu room li ka nei jin room li la chu room li min lo dim me taute total room chu zar ka nei ham 4 room ale min izat en lo dim ham ya le occupy kun mi zat ngap te lo min ni ho room ni ho occupy ta la to chu room izat ong ham percentage and set te la chun 2 divided by 4 acho ka kala 2 to the 4 2 1 is 2 1 by 2 1 by 2 chu percent na ka khel dinga le 100 to ka multiply de pi wa sam chen 50% lila ni aki occupy la chun aki khat ki occupy tin hen chu fraction form ang ke se ala chun chen pi wa sa ki ram tia hele percentage atai ki ja hele 100% to 0 ni ka hele that's 100% to 100 by 100 tin percent to divided by 100 tin 0 ni to 0 ni ka kaya hele 1 umta hele 1 chun 100% aba sa hele chun 2 bo se ki tia hele chun 2 bo se ki tia hele chun 200% aba sa nahin 3 ki tia 300% anung apana 0 ni la dola chun last two digit 55,000 ko person da kasim ngale za dam 50 ko person da kasim ngale za dam 5,000 100 ko za dam 0 ekal chun pi ba sam de la fraction form ma percentage ai simala ti cha shortcut method ko la chun basic a che pham ta hele very basic a cho percentage to fraction chui di convert ning ham atia hera chun thil chu percentage aga khel ding ala divided by 100 ka bola hai sorry percentage of fraction aga khel ding hele divided by 100 ka bola hele fraction so ding example as 25% to 25 by 100 na ka bola 11 by 4 so ajo tia let's suppose 20% of that's by 20% to fraction aga khel ding ala because ida 20 to 100 na ka divide 100 na ka divide na hele 0 0 ka 2 1 is 2 2 5 10 ka fraction as also 1 by 5 machabang acho 50% ko fraction aga khel ala piti so ding ham 50 divided by 100 so 0 0 ka 5 1 is 5 5 2 is 10 1 by 2 50% ko 1 by 2 percentage of fraction as so ding ala divided by 100 heading ala fraction to percentage ai khel ding ala ap bol da ham multiply by 100 Taka banga chilanga 1 by 2 chipen hela taute chipen fraction hi 1 by 2 hi percentage khel 180 khel du ham multiply by 100% ato kya hila chun ni bana hire 2 zat ham 2 5 10 2 0 0 epi mom 50 into 1 ko pham 50 percentage chilanga hi 50% ko fraction khela 1 by 2 1 by 2 khela 50% chita ba chahi to basic percentage of fraction I think helam ti cho ahi in ala chi by hat dewa very very important 1 by 2 chan pi ba sam 50% fraction cho percentage aga khel ding ale te khel ding ham teka banga fraction cho 1 by 2 cho percentage aga khel ding ale into 100% ka bola hele ka hele 50% so ding chita bang cho hin cho bo na so te la 50% cho hi chala pa na ti ka chi la hi la chala pa na 50% apa na 1 by 2 chu gi lang la ti ka chi dam tala 50% apa na 1 by 2 ka chu ding hi la divided by 100 bola hele za so tam is equal to 1 by 2 is it a late chen lang is it late chen ma thak vero ge ba ya chu 1 by 2 ka tira 50% ka tira 1 by 2 1 by 3 hi 33 1 by 3% or 33.33% 1 by 4 25%, 1 by 5 20%, 1 by 6 16 2 by 3%. It will 16 2 by 3% CPM 1 by 6. 14 2 by 7% CPM 1 by 7. It will 1 by 7 so 14 2 by 7%. So known as 14.28. 1 by 8 12 1 by 2%. 1 by 9 11 1 by 9%. 1 by 10 10%. 1 by 11 9 1 by 11%. 1 by 12 8.33 1 by 3%. 1 by 13 7 9 by 13%. 1 by 14 7 1 by 7%. 1 by 15 6 2 by 3%. 1 by 16 6 1 by 4%. 1 by 17 5.88% or 5 15 by 17 percentage. 1 by 18 5.55 percentage by more. 1 by 19 1 by 20 55%. And 1 by 25 4%. It's a hit by heart. Learn by heart. See how mangaon ki makte. And next to percentage to fraction azawa chu 1 by 2 chu ep percent ham tela 1 by 2 chu 50% ai ke chu to ai 50% chu pm tela 1 by 2 izalang pa hi kya man che pa hi kya man zo ya thaka kar hi yong la che pa hi kya man zo ya chu 100% chu fraction ai sama la 1 100% chu zo ka se manga fraction ai sam la 1 hela 200% chu 2 hi 300% 3 hi azawa sor ka khare se chu na 0 ni kal hala chu fraction value fraction value in I like 50% 1 by 2, 33 1 by 3%, 1 by 3, 25% 1 by 4. So at the bank will have button C point more, chong point more, 12 1 by 2%, 12.5% 1 by 8, and then 11.9%, 9 1 by 11%, 8.33%, chong point more, 62.3%, no point more, 1.5%. So I had that there, right? 1 by 3%, 1 by 30, chong point more, by 20. 1 by 24, 4, 1 by 6%, 2.5, 2.5, 1 by 40, 2% 50, 1% is 1 by 100. Chalaya hi PKCM 50% is equal to IPM 1 by 2 original value, which he IPTCM 50% of 2 is equal to 1, or 1 is equal to 50% of 2. Which is explain lang. Teka banga chu 50% akitia hela 50% se piwa sam tele 1 by 2 la tinga 50% se pide ham khatti ne ala chun ni piwa sa nam tele kiti ipiti sim thading ham ta hele 1 is 50% of 2 jang kati thech 1 he 50 1 he 2 dinga 50% ake khat hi yong kati the hello le 50% of 2 to that ham 2 is equal to is 1 ang kati thech acha interpretation I meaning ke bang la fraction apa modi het pa modi khat so no ya kiti denominator hi pam this is called denominator achunga am hi pikitiam numerator numerator rator ala chuchun teka banga 50% kya za na ding chu number 1 50% bit tipodin chum lautin ye chu 50% chung conflict tan number 1 achu 33 1 by 3% gavele achun 33 3 by 11% chu zat ham tiala azwa khacha ba la chu 1 by 3 1 by 3 tin hen ala chin pi wa sam tile azwa ke se banga chu 3 dinga 33.33% che pi dam 1 tin achu te ka banga pi ke se nam chu so ken buchun thum ka nei chu 3 tiffin ka nei ida 3 tiffin chu kai dinga chu ka to tala chu pi ham total also 3 tiffin ka nei 3 box 3 box ke dinga chu total ka nei za chu total ka nei za ala 3 box la chu 33% chun me ka go nge ka tia ala 33% je pham de la 3 dinga chi total hi le chi total hi le denominator chu total hi 33 1 by 3% chu 1 heading hi achunga ke se banga chu 2 dinga 50% chu 1 hi banga chu 33 1 by 3% dinga chu 1 33% also me adi me ka tala chi pham 1 33% din hai acha tela chun hi che pe na hi pham soup tip den te nya price to the abo chang te ne chu za ham ni price chu ala chun chahe question khatam the che pham ta hele question khatam the che pham tela total che pham tela total che on 3 ai ke zoom ta chu 33 1 by 3% JPM. What is 33.33? 33 1 by 3 or 33.33. What is 33.33% of 3? Kita pinam answer to 1. Concept to 33.33 to chinangai ka chibangahi. Na chalaya chibangahi. Pivot sum chain. Kya hila? Hichi pivot sum tila denominator pahin 3 dingahi 33.33%. So a result if you hundam 1 heading hi tila chunga pahi pam result in it. Percentage result. Result क्यों है लौटे percentage result होता percentage result होता percentage result so one ही क्या है लचन तेका बंगा ही tiffin box ही है ले soup चीज़ हम soup 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 चुन इज़ार occupy हम soup is one box soup in one box occupy also so percentage in here इज़ार धाम percentage आके ख्याल दिंगा ले इज़ार धाम आते हैं ले one box occupy so total boxes are 3 1 by 3 JPM percentage का ख्याल आला 33.33%. Question number 2 na so PM them tele rice to is occupy volume percentage occupy by rice atala rice to is occupy volume rice in box ni occupy volume so hin box thum la so ya cho box noi langa total ya box thum la so box ni occupy volume It's percentage I pay the direct value ke lawa jong la itu percentage ke khel ding ala 100%. So we pay the 200 by 3 percentage. 200 by 3 percentage so box sa hung ngedi. Ala jo chani pi se ham tia hi le cheni pi wa sa ma tia le te ka banga chu 25%. 25% question ka chen pay ham la 25% and AP was some tahile fraction also 25 fraction ka khel thang divided by 100 25 divided by 100 se phem tala 25 1 is 25 25 4 is 100 so 1 by 4 it elo la ka ba na la che kha kha bol hela direct nga 25% is equal to 1 by 4 it's in 25% on the pt nam tele future hoblia ho ma hi le hobli la kha 25% hi tinas This leads or li peham tera total. Kyo chu te ka banga total ai la hele chele la chu leading a 25% se pijam tele. Leading a 25% is equal to 1 by 4. Leading a 25% se pida answer peham 1 head. 1 jese ne. Te ka banga hop li room li a chu mi khat bo se ma hela chun mi za ma room li kan ya mi khat bo ina lua hele mi za na occupy bo lam mi khat bo ina occupy bo la mi khat occupy bo cha percentage ati ka khel dingam te la 1 by 4 1 by 4 cha pam 25% ala chi hung kya za na kha cha number 1 question number 1 percentage increase or decrease percentage increase la decrease noms la 25% increase kita lete ka bol ha chalang 25% increase 25% increase ka bol nga hele chun 25% je pam fractional by 4 increase ding ti acho 4 to 25% ka kaus e te la chun ke lila khat to 25% hiya 25% ka kaus le za tam te la 4 plus 1 25% increase then then the result is result or new number is new number is ipidham tila lila chu 25% increase ka bola leza sota na. That means 4 plus 1 is 5. Ila teka banga hi chilanga hi 25% decrease ilala. 25% decrease. Teka banga chu 25% chu 5 what kiti chu. Decrease ile achunga ko kamina. Li chu total ile 1 koni pi wat sam tila 25% abat sa. Ila decrease hi leza the tam. Decrease hi leza the tam number sa pidham. New number is equal to 4 minus 1. New number 2, 3. Then such a percentage increase, percentage decrease. Also, all of question percentage to fraction ki relate nancho. Chala hai percentage fraction relation hai bala chum 25%. Chala hai 25% is equal to 1 by 4. Or 4% is equal to 1 by 5. Chini piva sam kya hai 25% to 1 by 4. Hi bang 4% level length 25%. A percent of B is equal to B percent of A tam kala thi hai chu. Teka bang IP se nam chu question hai kya hai le. Chu question chu P se nam kya hai chulanga hai net sat chal tari le hum. 25% of 25% of 30. Hello, 25% of 220. 25% of 20 11. Chuchu A percent of B. A percent of B is equal to B percent of A. Thaka kada hi tin ne percentage kila do so thaka kada hi president tila bulanga si lawa chong lawa it's a 50% of 2 ilole 1% of 50 kiti cho thaka tho cho it's ta banga chu it's la ya hi tim ki jam tala 25% se pati na ham 25% to 1 by 4 20. Answer PM tele 4 5 or 20 answer to PM 5. 25% of 20 khodo ding ale PM 5 hi. Otherwise yung 20 khodo PM tele 20% of 25 to ki pang tho tho ba din 20% of 25 to ki pang ya 20% se PM 1 by 5. Of chim piti na multiply 25. 5 how many times? 5 5 25 answer ko PM 5. 5 chi total. That's it. Pwede nga akong po yung maham dahil teka ba nga so 375% of 50 hold and 18 hold out to them. Question and hold and telepathy hold out to them. Question and hold and the simple method na ko yung ano 375% if ham 375 divided by 100 of the piti ham of 50%. Ako na hilete ko khud ham 52 times 100. Electron episode 375 by 2. So electron ko na hira episode ratam tala 2 1 is 2 and mo 2 is 16 2 7 is 14.25 10. Chance report ning. And hita ka khot chu iti ka khot thayam kya hele 375% of 50 kala dosa nga chu 50% of 375 padlang ke bang ni pizinam tila chunga kizi bang ai rules concept kat hai 50% se pe hum tile 1/2 of 375 chipiti na 375 by 2 so pi ba sam tile 2 1 is 2 2 is 16 2 7 is 14.25 10 ki bang tho tho se bang a chu hi to le le the le if you see a bigger percentage value, check the multiple of the smaller percentage. Pi va sam chen pi se nam. Atia hele chun. It's already hi 4% on ke so 4% je pe 1/25. Le 32% in petality for lot de va. 32% an pi va hele chun 32 to 32 to 4 multiples of 4 multiple 4% can get 4 is a times of 32 ham tala 4 8 times of 32 la 4 fractions se pe 1/25 1/25 to 8 times ka bola sa so am tala 8/25 it's explain lang next template I explain ke lang te ka banga basic formula I ke se chu 1/2 50% 1/3 1/2 se pe 50% 1/3 se pe 33 1/3% 1/4 se pe 25% 1/5 se pe 1/5 to 20%. It's an 10 yapan an example la lewan. Alate ka banga chu 1/4 je pe 1/4 je pe 1/4 20 bat sam tela 25% abat sats. Ala 2/4 ki tela percentage ai pir tam 2/4 ki tela chen pe ta hele tildang elo chi ni ve ki multiply so. Chi ni ve ki multiply ya chu chang ni ve multiply la chen so that's 25 to the 50 percentage. Pele suppose fraction है lower percentage अपन बोलें 4% को पिटी हम 4% को पिटी हम what is 4%? 4% को इतना ही ले 1/25 1/25 तीन है पहले तेका बंगा चो 24% 24% चो फ्रैक्शन ही खेल ने तेरे ती खेल दे हम त्या ले किन 24% के है लो चो फ्रैक्शन भी लो आके लो है ले चो 4% के है चो Division of the let's see 4 times 7 4 5 24 6 24 4 into 6 percentage kati the la 4 percentage into 6 kati the ka 4 into 6 are 24 la 4 percentage so kin value get so 4 times 6 times la fraction also is ka bol da 1/25 into 6 times so to be 6/25 tin la chebang a chu 80% of fraction is here and 80% of fraction is here and the 80% जो basic method ना का बोलते हैं हिले basic आज का बोलते हैं हिले 80% तीन 0 का काटिंग 2 4 8 2 5 10 तीन आंसर से पे हम 4/5 ये वहाँ फ्रैक्शन के ना हिले चुन फ्रैक्शन आज से पे हम 20% के चुन 20% के पे हम तेले चले यही 1/5 is 20% ले लो ला 20% इसको तो 1/5 तक आता होता 1/5 Let 80% को डॉटिंग आज चीज़ टाइम्स हम चाहिए 4 times. चीज़ टाइम्स का बोलते हम 4 times. Multiply वो फल अनुई तो multiply पाई के बोलो चुंग पातो numerator के बोल जी हैं या तो 1 into 4 करते हम 4/5. Fraction है multiply के बोल फल numerator बोलते के बोल जी हैं मतलब 4/5 के बाउंड होता Chuchubat sana hai. It's explanation about that. Fractional value. Fractional value I had the numerator should always be smaller than the denominator. Numerator so it is not denominator so they didn't he. Why they and you're not taking a fraction I killed him he. Lady killed you hum at the ahead. The killed you hum till next topic here 11. Question answer 11 by 7 piece. 11 by 7. 11 by 7 here. Simplest form here the numerator so the denominator. Là chun ka thi na lai cho 7 by 11 ka thi na lai cho 7 1 is 7 8 9 10 11 means 4 remainder. Là chun ni pi wa sum tia hele divisor noi langa he divisor ti x y z telan z he pi ti du ham mixed fraction z he pi ti du ham divisor x he pi ham cosine y he pi ham na divisor apana cosine chan chi ding ale multiply ding cosine apana remainder chi ding ale plus ding chun h numbers ni pi ba sa them to divisor into cosine plus remainder chi pi ham tela dividend ti chu 11 chi dividend I ki divide pen cho is equal to dividend a chu tia hera chun his chun ni pi ba sam tela 7 divisor hi divide bol pa to divisor into cosine plus remainder divisor into cosine plus remainder 11 by 7 who 1 4 by 7 thi so division am tela chi 7 1 is 7 plus 4 ko jatam 8 9 10 11 by 7 hai to today ne ka plus din today ne ka multiply ala chi so to then ala ipidinga mixed fraction 1 4 by 7 che ipidinga po moham tia here chi numerator ne jo ta numerator ne jo ta 7 and divide he telo denominator le jo ta your denominator is greater than numerator tas ala mixed fraction hi iti ki bo thiam tele mixed fraction ko 1 4 by 7 ko ne pi sum tele 1 plus 4 by 7 to khat chas also iti ta banga hai ke chi dang hele iti ka so ding ham tia la zo ai ke se banga so mixed fraction bo dan so zo ai ke se banga so chala hai suppose 4 6 by 8 6 by 8 until 6 by 7 4 6 by 7 को mixed fraction है proper fraction का so ding ala tika bol ding ham tene ka multiply ding tene ka gop ding anu ya 7 pa hai ka ji dan de 7 ka ji dan divisor into cosine 7 4 za 28 28 plus jan ham chunga ko 6 28 29 30 34 34 by 7 so che proper fraction ti nahin ala chu chi piding ai mix a ke convert ham tila numerator ko le nam numerator le denominator now let's suppose 44 by 7 to mixed fraction ka bolding ai le te ka bold ham 7 ka koi dan ding 7 is that times 34 kinayam 7 7 7 4 28 7 5 35 le morta 7 4 28 28 lot is a ka bedam 9 30 31 32 30 34 6 ka ben total 4 6 by 7 abul lang ato ki bang tawso tas abul lang ato ki bang it's a mixed fraction re ipiding ang mixed fraction pa mo ham tera te ka banga 11 by 7 suppose 2 1 by 3 plus 3 2 by 5 ก็กอบดึงอะไรที่ก็กอบดึงทำใจละมาสักเป็นนะ sorry 3 2 by 3 per ที่เตที่ก็กอบดึงอะไรที่ก็กอบดึงทำใจเลยที่ในปีบัตรซ้ำที่เลยก็จะ2 plus 1 by 3 azwa ka se jo chalaya hai akibange ka ti chu te ni chibanga chu mix fraction ya la ki ka plus me ti ne ya plus 3 plus 2 by 3 le chiten chi ko ma ta fraction zalo me te ni 3 plus 2 ko pi ham 5 plus no ya khate amo te ni vela chu no ya base ki ba la chunga te ni base common la lang chunga te ni kom la chun 2 plus 1 ko pi ham 3 by 3 to 1 touch the 5 plus 1 ko jar ham 6 tại chạy mix fraction cái dòng em pele percentage to fraction percentage to cái gì bằng cho fraction ai hiểu tiếng Anh là cái hiểu lắm cái cả bằng percentage number liên ta 437 1 by 2% cái thì hiểu được ham cái hiểu là chỉ về là chúng fraction cái số tiếng Anh hiểu là cái break up cho as you can 437 1 by 2% cái hiểu là cái hết sẽ thêm từ là 400% cái hết na represent to 400% plus 7.5 lo 37 by 2% ke so la 400 che pm percent che pm to la 400% che pm 4 ai lo wai le shortcut ke hel banga chu para zero ni la do la chun chu percentage value hi na 4 plus 37 1 by 2% che pt na ham ta le 3 by 8 3 by 8 value hi bahal la chun 3 by 8 value ko pe ham 37 1 by 2% value ko pe ham 3 by 8 3 by 8 so iti apa hong ko nam te 1 by 8 apa hong ko 3 times ka multiply na 1 by 8 value se pe ham 12 1 by 2% 12 1 by 2% so 3 times ka bola le pisam 37 1 by 2% ai lo ale direct and multiply la chon direct and bahar la chon 3 by 8 is equal to 37 1 by 2% ale 4 plus 3 by 8 khu iti ka so te yam te le ti numerator new jata denominator sanga ya cho chi khiar ngai ta lo la ke ka plus ka koi thi plus ka koi lo yong lan mix fraction ka ji dinga le ta koi pe thi cho hi ha le 12 1 by 2% apana 1 by 8% chen ti hong ding ham cho khabi bolle han chala ya he ding langa ka ji tan chala ya ne ka ji tan la next page a khabi ga sol le han ti hong so do da 12 by 2% is 3 pm 1 by 8 or here also pm 1 by 8 is equal to 12 1 by 2 percentage acha tia hile question age dong che pm azo langa teka banga 28% ko horo denga le pm ke lo pichla na 20% ke lo ya che banga 20 che pi multiply am tera 4 5 24 to 4 7 ja 28% cha 7% am 4% am ke na le ke chai ta लेकिन 4% के तो 4% जने पीवा सम देला 1 by 25 अला चन 28 जो इति को होलो दे 4% अपना 28% इति को सो दो दे हम ते hele 4 that time sum 4 7 the 28 या तो से 7 तक मल्टीप्लाई दे 7 by 25 20% to 7 by 25 fraction का सोचो ले हे तब मामा आचो 1 by 2% is 1 by 8 hele 37 1 by 2% so ipi hung so deng ham atia hela chon che vela chon 12.5 so 37.5 so that time sum 3 times this. Episode amtela 12 को 3 multiply lachun 12 को 3 multiply lachun जा सम 36 होता था plus half को 3 multiply lachun जा सम sorry plus no more thing here half को 3 multiply lachun जा सम 3/2 3/2 so it is idam 2 1 is 2 by plus 1 को 3 2 1 is 2 plus 1 को 3 1 1/2 कर दी थे plus 1 plus 1/2 36 plus 1 से पे हम 37/2 percentage पे का multiply हम 3 या तो 1/8 हमने 3 का multiply ले जा सम 3/8 इतना का whole ये percentage ये half आ जाओ या ये complicate नहीं है ये थे पे हम तो 3/8 से पे हम 47/2 percentage इतना होते हैं fraction जन BCM क्या है ले चला ही कोई मौके का चीज़ हम क्या है ला 25% जन भी बस हम क्या है ले 25% जन 1/4 such अले fraction method आचा अले BC नाम चले अभी लगा हम पर denominator इज़ा का है तो ले कर दीजिए थिल्ली थियो जो सगी नहीं होना तो सगी जो लिया ना सिंगाई ता लिया ना सिंगाई ता लिंक क्या जो रूम बांग जो ली ही ले जो ऐसे बांग जो रूम ली जो 25% kala hille a result to 1 so original ano yaam pa hi denominator ko pikitiam full value or original value achunga ko pe ham a result increase atia le halving decrease atia la minus ding increase le decrease agati lo le answer to 1 hijing ya cha cha ipt sim theding ham tia hille 25% of 4 on pt so 25% of 4 che pe ham tela 25% of 4 well, 4% of 25. So A% of B is equal to B% of A. It is equal to 1. 1. Hello, 1 so 25% of 4. Here it is. Interpretation. So confused lang na din nga. Hello, chilaya lahi. Bata chilaya lahi. So room li ka niya. Room khatsumi na luwa hila. Percentage IT kasi diham tila 4 la so kan luwa hila 4/1. So 25%. 25% na luwa tawe din ito. Episode nam क्या हिले बेरा चंचंग ही पे हम 25% ले एचंग ही पे हम 25% रूम नी ना पाया अथुम ना पाया 25% ली ना पाया 25% अरे चुन 25% सी चुंगा गो 100% 100% जो टोटल तीन या टोटल जो पीना 4 चल इजा का 100% लिंक के जो पे हम 100% percentage increase or decrease से अजवाज ने खत्म बताविन tomorrow zile botate ya thiana confusion am cha cha
No.
chine thiana ele te ka banga quick revision ga chile on to chun quick revision acho 60% 60% increase in number 60% increase number is gives 60% equals ahile if number is also done 60 percentage याले 200 aswaile original number chepidamla original number is 10 chotile 60% chepe ham fraction acho 60% ni taka bode to 60% pati na 0 ka 2 3 6 2 5 10 240 tuta 200 lot 240 tuta gives 240 number khat chu 60% ka increase ala increase wa chu 240 he chu ala chu 80 so du ham ta hele chala ya 60% che bara hele answer pi so tam 60% fraction che pam 3/5 ala amu yam he pi ki tiam amu yam he pi ham 5 he pi ham
Original number.
original na ala increase ki tia hele pi ham
Plus 5 plus 8. 5
ala
plus
to
3.
hi new number che pi tam ka increase ya che ham
8.
new number chu 5 plus 3 8 ta chana la new number chu ni pi atm chala ya hi 8
240.
value chu rupee pi what ta chu pi number ham 240 na
240.
la chu original number holen chu original chu pi ham original number chu 5 holen ti chala na original number pi ham one value hi pi ham
30.
one value ko pi ham 240
13.
divided by 8
8.
3 or 24 31 value ko 3 chala na la original what is the original number holen ti che pi ti na
150.
5 holen ti na chala na 5 unit na 5 to holding ala 1 unit to 30 la 5 unit to 30 times of 1 chala 5 times of 1 to ham 30 into 5 chala na 500 53 za 15 ala te ka banga 1 unit chun 30 represent 30 value he ala chun 5 unit chu pi dir tam tala 1 5 unit chu pi tam tala 1 into 5 times tila chala na 1 chu pi ham 30 into 5 tang so the otherwise 1 unit in pcm tala 30 hila 5 units pi ham tala 1 3 za times of 30 sum 30 times 5 za times 5 to 30 times ka buangai 150 it's a method order da chu increase percentage increase ne kha to kha ya che jing la percentage increase decrease ba de cha na do tam total